Alright, what's going on, guys? Back at it again. Just got done doing some motor work. We got the D16 motor. Just got done doing the valve flaps. Make sure the valves are all sitting nice and flush. With one of these tools, get yourself one of these. These are definitely handy. That's definitely gonna help out when you're doing the valve flap. Ooh, I was just thinking about this too. How I lost it, now I just found it on the floor. So I need that because that actually goes right into like that, somewhere in there. That goes in there. When it goes onto the block, it lets it seat properly. But also get yourself some of this. You can find this at your local hardware store. You know, not hardware, but Advanced Auto Parts or something like that. But I'm probably gonna get hit because of this music. But yeah, no, we're just getting ready to head off. We got most of our stuff here. We got the motor. We pulled apart D16 motor yesterday, or day before yesterday. Yeah, day before yesterday. Pulled it apart. Looks good. Looks real clean. Crank's all good. The whole bottom end is good. I think the only thing that I'm a little worried about is the head. The cam does need to be repolished, resurfaced, but I need to get that done anyways. We'll send it off once we get up into Maine. The Civic looks real good right now, how it sits. Whew, super cold, but it still rubs a little bit on that side, on one of these parts, but the car looks pretty good how it sits. This makes my neck look really long. But a little chilly out here. We just gotta raise this up a little bit more. We're gonna try to fit all my clothes. I don't know how much clothes I got, but I think I got like two bins and a bag full of clothes. But we're gonna end up taking all of this, putting it in the back of that, have the clothes in the back seat. But it's gonna have some weight in it, so once I raise it up, it's gonna drop down, and hopefully we can take care of that situation so it stops rubbing. The front is rubbing too when I turn, but I'm not too worried about that. I'm just mostly worried about the rear. But other than that, the car is good. The car is ready to go. Once that gets done, the car is perfect. So I'm ready to skedaddle out of here. It's gonna be a long journey. It's gonna be really, really cold. Oh, I also got my turbo up there. My turbo, my manifold, my downpipe. Actually, I may put in that front brace just to keep it in the front. I'll put that front brace in there. Ooh, it's pretty cold out here. It's like 26 degrees. The sun was out, but guess not. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do that. Pull that wheel off, raise it up, and see where we could get from there. So hopefully the next video you guys end up seeing is us getting on our way to Maine. So we got about 2 weeks left that we're here in the Rochester, you know, the big 585. So represent. So we got about 2 weeks left before we head off. I do still have some K-series parts over here that I guess nobody. I told people if they wanted this K-series motor, it's a K24. It's out of I believe a TSX, but nobody wanted it, so I threw it away. I threw away all the parts for it. You know, I can't take it with me, and I can't wait for somebody to buy it, and I got to get it out of here. So you know, I threw it away. It's a waste, but you know, I put it up, and I just asked anybody if they wanted it for free. Well, nobody wanted it, so we got rid of it. So less weight that I got to carry with me. The car's pretty much clean in the inside. Well, it's not too clean, but it's fine now. I got a few stuff, nothing too major. We'll throw a bunch of stuff in the back seat, clean it up a little bit, get it a little bit more roadworthy. We got about a 9.5-hour drive, 9 to 10 hour drive to Maine. We're gonna be at the furthest part of Maine, just about the furthest part of Maine. We'll be in Bangor, Maine, pretty much the middle of nowhere. It's real nice though. Very excited. I might not look excited, but I'm super excited for it. There's a bunch of adventure stuff. There's a lot of outdoors stuff there. I'm just not looking forward for the cold. I mean, I'm used to the cold already, but not really looking forward to it being a little bit more cold. Definitely gotta go buy me a truck. So hopefully when that tax season comes, actually it is tax season. Hopefully when them taxes come in, we'll get that situated. We'll end up hopefully buying a truck or going out to look for a truck or something. I like to get something where I could tow this. I wanna eventually get this car to where it's a street car, like a complete street car, where it'll be something dope. I can actually work on it and keep it away. Because right now it's my daily car. I've been all over the states with this car, and I need to make sure that it's reliable. So that's all we've been doing is having fun with it, taking it all over, showing everybody that you can indeed work on and have that love for cars and keep working on it no matter where you are. No matter where you are in the world, you could maintain and keep a nice daily car turbocharged. As long as you do it right, as long as you know what you're doing, and you're not too crazy on it, you'll have fun and have a lot of adventures with it, and that's what we've been doing. This is a '96 Honda Civic. This car is well over its time period, and it's been moving us all over the world. So, well, not over the world, but all over the states. So this car's been good. We're looking forward to driving and putting this car in the garage and actually getting a chance to work on it. So hopefully we'll get another car, and this will be put away for sure. So with all that being said, let's go ahead and jack up this car and make sure she's not rubbing anymore. So she's got pretty nice wheel gap, but nothing too crazy, nothing too bad. I'm not too worried about that because she's gonna drop a little bit once I put all the stuff in there, so that's good. It's functional. So go ahead and look at this side. Yeah, we're gonna have to raise that one up too, so. Alright guys, there you have it. She's risen up a little bit from the beneath. Looks pretty good. I don't think she'll be rubbing anytime soon, but it looks good. I know I was gonna have to raise it up anyways because on my way to Maine, or actually once I get into Maine, their streets are a lot worse than ours in New York, but well, it isn't too bad, but theirs is definitely not better. There you guys have it. She looks good, she looks clean. Hopefully our next video is going to be us dumping all this stuff into the back of that And with our tool set, little tool set, but see, listen, everybody, I got the smallest toolbox, but I'm telling you, I got just about everything you need.